Hello and welcome, guys. My name is Matt from Jazzco Consulting, and I'm going to do another Microsoft Teams video today. So, in today's video, we're going to be looking at an inbuilt app called Whiteboard. So, this can be used in any channel or team and is a collaboration tool. So, you may be finding a little bit that your staff or employees are getting a little bit bored with meetings now. They've kind of had the remote work hype, and now it's kind of like, you know, downgrading a little bit now, and this is just to try and keep things a little bit interesting. So this is an app that you can use while you're in a meeting, and so I'm going to show you today. So here I'm just going to join a meeting very quickly, and I'll show you how to do it. So jump into the open share tray, and then this will thus open up our little browse section here, and we will click on Microsoft Whiteboard. Now from here, I'm actually going to bring in one of my friends, Helen, as well, just so that we can work on this together. So I'm just going to say, come on in, Helen. Fantastic. So she'll join in just a moment. So now, in the latest update, text boxes were added, as well as sticky notes, and just an easier use and a cleaner use on the whiteboard. So today we're going to work out a little Microsoft Teams advantages, I guess, a little brainstorm. Hey, Helen, how are you going?
Hey Matt, good. How are you?
Yeah, fantastic. So I was just telling everyone today we're going to be doing a little Microsoft Teams advantages brainstorm. And so let's work on that together. So
Yep, let's get started.
fantastic. So I'll just start it off here. Fantastic. And I'm just going to add in a little textbook over the side here. Very simple. You can move them all around. In this one, I'll just write chat and collaborate.
I'm going to add the fact that it actually integrates multitudes of different applications that you can get from the Microsoft Teams store.
Fantastic. I'm just going to add in calling over this side.
I'm just adding some arrows as well.
Yeah, nice. Oh, you beat me.
All right, and one more. The mobile application, so you can access Microsoft Teams anywhere and anytime.
Very nice.
Let's move that over here. Oh yeah.
Cool.
That's good.
Yeah,
Happy
awesome.
with that.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Really simple. We can also add in sticky notes if we wanted to say something as well, like check over for later. If someone needs to look at it or something like that. We can move everything around simply if we'd like, just to make it nice and neat and tidy, all that sort of good things. And most importantly, what we can do is in the settings menu, we can actually export this. So if someone has either missed the meeting or they are running late or we just want to look at it later, we can actually click this and it will save as an image. So we can just post that in the chat or we can send it to the person directly and no one will ever miss out. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much, Helen, for your help as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Sounds good. Bye.